and welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to flashout.io using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into flashout.io, make sure that you've downloaded the application on your Android device. Once you've got the app, give it a tap to open. Once you end up in the official site of Flashout, tap on the login button at the top right hand corner. In the login area, you'll need to enter your email and your password associated with flashout.io. Enter your email address in the first text box and enter your password on the next. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials on this device, tap on Remember Me. If not, leave it unchecked and tap on Login to access your account. In the process, if you've forgotten your password and you're stuck in the login area, tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the login button and reset your password to a new one. After filling in your email and password, tap Login and you'll be able to log into your flashout.io account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.